So also you studied music from Rahman Sir's college, which is KC College of Music and
KM.
Tech. KM
Music.
College of Music and Tech. So I want to know, how is the admission process like? Is it also very
No,
tough
so
to crack?
let me clarify that.
Hmm.
For me at least, I learned Hindustani growing up. So I've
Okay.
learned music,
Karnataka.
Hindustani.
Hindustani.
And when I went to Chennai for college, I actually joined Sir's college for a part-time course where I was learning Western classic. But I only like there were only a few classes that happened because the school was very new then. So वो part-time course थोड़ा मेरे लिए actually it was, I think it was designed for like kids.
Okay.
So I felt a little like I was
You've already done
advanced
that.
for it.
Yeah.
Though I did learn a lot.
Bilkul.
But so then I started being involved more with the choir. Like I got into the choir. उसमें like I don't remember auditioning for it. I think they just
took you.
Yeah, and then I auditioned for a project जहाँ पे मैंने अपना एक गिटार पे ऐसे गा के भेजा था. वो प्रोजेक्ट रहमान सर ने एक्चुअली सुना था और वहीं से उनके साथ काम करना शुरू हुआ.
So when did you meet him? जब ये project select हो गया, then he called you.
Then I met him. Then I recorded the song. Then randomly I was waiting in the studio and his engineer said, "Sir wants to meet you." So that's when that's the first time I went and met him. I didn't meet him before that, but in a group. Like हम लोग एक sir के साथ एक tour किए थे जहाँ पे we were an orchestra of 100
outside
people.
India, if I'm
yeah,
right.
Outside and in India.
Oh wow. So, मतलब can we say he has been like a mentor for you?
Absolutely. Like he plays a huge role.
मतलब क्या उनके बारे में जितनी बातें कहें कम है. We have been listening and his songs are league ही अलग है. So about Rahman sir, his songs stand out. They have a league of their own. What do you think is his USP? Because आपने काम किया, so you must have seen the process. What stands out about him?
He's just extremely talented. Like he can play anything. He just keeps growing. Like what I love about him is he's constantly trying new things, new instruments, new soft. He's better than, even though he is much older than me and so many of us, he's way more savvy with like the latest gear, technology, everything. So I love that about him. Like he's always hungry for more. That's awesome about him.
And he also has a zen mode to him, right? Like
yeah, he is a very like peaceful person, but he's always like, just trying new things. Wow. Hey guys, this is Nikita Gandhi and you're watching me on Mamarazzi.